Hey there, English learners. Today, we're unlocking the mystery of gerunds and infinitives, that tricky choice between to go and going. If you've ever thought, should I say I love to swim or I love swimming? Stick around, we're solving that today. What are gerunds and infinitives? First things first. A gerund is the ing form of a verb, swimming, eating, playing. An infinitive is to plus base verb, to swim, to eat, to play. Example: I enjoy swimming, gerund. I want to swim, infinitive. But how do we know which one to use? Here's the secret. It depends on the verb that comes before it. We use gerunds after certain verbs. Enjoy, finish, avoid, suggest, consider. I enjoy eating pizza. She avoids talking during movies. We finish studying at 8 p.m. Not, I enjoy to eat pizza, that's a no-go. Memory trick. If you can do it for fun or avoid it, it's probably ing. We use infinitives after other verbs. Want, need, decide, hope, promise. I want to learn English. She decided to travel next year. They promised to help us. Not, I want learning English. Nope. Memory trick. If it's a plan, goal, or promise, it's to plus verb. Some verbs can use both with a small change in meaning. Remember, forget, stop. I stopped smoking. I quit forever. I stopped to smoke. I paused to have a cigarette. The difference? Gerund means stopping the action entirely. Infinitive means pausing to do the action. Time to test your skills. Examples: she enjoys swimming in the ocean. We decided to go to the party. He promised to help me with my homework. They finished watching the movie. Awesome job, you're getting the hang of it. And that's how you master gerunds and infinitives. Some verbs like to, and some like ing. If you practice, you will keep learning. If you liked this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's something you enjoy doing, or maybe something you plan to do? I can't wait to read your answers. See you next time, English champions.